Where can I learn programming step by step? How do I find my roadmap?
Hey guys, welcome to Freeform Camp channel. Well, before starting the tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.
W3 Schools website.
Step 1. Write W3 Schools in Google Chrome search. Step 2. Click on this website. Step 3. On this website you can learn different frameworks and programming languages, and this website is always updated. Step 4. For example, click on Learn HTML. Here is a list where you can learn the content step by step. There is also a section called Try It Yourself at each stage, where you can test what you have learned. Step 5. If you scroll down on the homepage, you'll find an online code editor that you can use for practice and testing if you don't have a powerful computer. Step 6. If you scroll down, you can reach this section where you can test yourself. Step 7. If you scroll down further, there are a bunch of free templates here that are great for practicing. Well, I made a video about the best programming channels on YouTube, which I'm gonna leave you the link above so that you can use the video tutorials of programming in addition to this website.
Roadmap.sh website.
Step 1. Write Roadmap.sh in the Google Chrome search. Step 2. There are a lot of roadmaps here for all developers. Step 3. For example, I'm a front-end developer and I don't know my roadmap, so I click on front-end. Step 4. Here is a complete and perfect roadmap, and if you click on any of these, it also introduces a large number of educational resources. Well, this part is over. If you like this type of content, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. I won't take up your time again. Goodbye.